Hi, Owl Writers! Welcome to Writer's Workshop for Day 4. Today we will be focusing on 2 reasons to support our opinion in adding sparkle words. Let's briefly remember what a sparkle word is. It's an adjective. Adjectives tell us about nouns. You can talk about what color something is, the size, how many, what it looks like, smells, how it behaves, the shape, how it tastes, how it feels. There's lots of ways to add sparkle words into our writing. Today we're going to put 2 reasons. If you remember, reasons tell us why you think or feel a certain way. Reasons give your opinion power, and we always have to remember to use the magic word because. Let's quickly review some because boo-boos. Let's stay away from saying things like because I like it, because it's neat, or because it's cool. We do not want to say those things. Instead, you want to explain why you like it. All right. Get your paper, and you are going to go ahead and start your first reason. You can say, my first reason is, and then tell me what your first reason is for liking the book that you chose. Pause your video and write your first reason. Welcome back. Make sure your first reason has sparkle words. Does it have sparkle words? If so, you can pause the video and give your teacher a high five. All right, welcome back. Now you're going to work on your next reason. So I want you to write, my next reason is, and tell me your next reason. Pause the video and write your next reason. Did you add sparkle words to your last reason? I hope so. That makes your writing more interesting. Here's a bonus. If you add a closing sentence to your writing all by yourself and show your teacher, you can earn 5 dojo points. This is something extra you can do. Okay? When you're done, you may stop for today. Great job, Owl Writers.